Hello all, welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. Today's recipe is puffed pastry pizza. It's very quick recipe and very delicious and kids like it a lot. So for that I have taken one puffed pastry sheet and I'm cutting it from the edges. Just one dimensions of 1.5 inches from all the edges. And we'll take out our middle part and refreeze it for the use on next time in other kind of recipes, so we don't waste it basically. So I've taken another sheet of puff pastry and I'm applying water on the edges, and the cut one which I just recently cut, I'll just put it on and press it so that it sticks properly. And we'll add some pizza sauce and spread it all over it. So I'll spread the pizza sauce and everything sits in that middle part. So I'm just adding some cut vegetables, which includes some onions. You can use any kind of stuffing which you want. And I'm adding some tomatoes, some mushrooms. As I said, toppings can be any of your choice. I'm adding some capsicums, some olives, and some jalapenos. And I have some mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, which will spread it in that middle cut part as well. Now we will transfer this to our baking tray and we will bake it for a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 10 minutes. It won't take long. So it's very quick and very delicious recipe. So after waiting for 10 minutes, you can see our puffed pastry has been ready, and it's all puffed up nicely from all the edges, and our vegetables are sitting in the middle, and cheese already is melt and looks really nice on top of it. And then we will just cut it in 4 to 8 pieces, and you can serve it with garlic dip or tomato sauce. So enjoy this quick recipe of puffed pastry pizza. Hope you like it, and kids definitely love it. So give it a go, enjoy. I'll see you next time with some other interesting recipes. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I highly appreciate all your love and support you're giving to me. And please keep on sharing my videos so that everybody can learn these techniques and cook this yummy food at home and enjoy with their families and friends. Thank you.